Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to enable and see who view your profile on TikTok. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok account. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Just like so. So after you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile picture, profile icon right here. Then it takes you to your profile. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. So it takes you to your profile. Next thing you need to do is to click on three slider from the top right here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on privacy. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to profile views. This is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply turn this on. Just like so. It's as simple as that. So by doing this, it enables you to see who view your profile on TikTok. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use your TikTok app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.